Well, let's talk about the technicals of the market and see how the Nifty as well as individual stocks are perched. Joining us on the show is Amar Singh, the head of advisory at Angel Broking. Amar, good morning. Thanks for joining in. Let's talk about the Nifty. It's been a steady footing on which the Nifty has been moving up, but it's a labored up move as most experts are terming it. How exactly and what exactly is your stance on the benchmark?
Talking about the broader market, Nifty has been trading with a positive bias for almost past 10 trading sessions, bottoming out from the 9950 levels witnessed in the last week of March. From there, it's up almost 4.5% this month. However, Nifty is facing with stiff resistance in the region of 10,590 to 10,650. That's going to act as a very strong resistance for Nifty. And it needs to consistently trade above that level and breach that level and consistently stay above that level for any further meaningful rally Nifty towards 10,650 odd levels or so. So what we are likely to witness is profit booking at 10,590, 10,650 levels, that zone. However, on the downside, Nifty has very strong support coming in at around 10,370 to 10,400. Even looking at the calls and the puts data, we find that 10,700 should act as a very strong resistance on the upside. Whereas on the downside, 10,400 should act as an immediate support for Nifty.
Okay, Amar, I must ask you about TCS, the newest entrant or potential entrant in the $100 billion market cap club. What's your view on how this stock could move in the short term?
Talking about stocks, the first stock of interest is TCS. What we are witnessing in TCS is that TCS has rallied significantly and it is strong technically across different time frames, be it the long-term charts, the medium-term charts, as well as the short-term charts. And also the fundamental news and data that has come in that is extremely positive in terms of better than expected results and also the bonus announcement. So if you look at TCS, TCS has gained almost 8% this week and it's trading somewhere in the region of 3,400. So any pullback towards 3250, 3260, that can be used as a buying opportunity in TCS, with a stop loss below 3150 and a target of 3550 on the upside.
Okay, Yes Bank on the flip side, however, was a big loser in trade on Friday. A lot of private banking names did lose in trade. What's your stance?
From the banking space, Yes Bank is a stock which has been trading and consolidating sideways, and it's unable to breach the 320 mark. And also technically looking at this particular stock, what we are witnessing in Yes Bank is that the stock technically does not inspire immediately much confidence, and it's capped on the upside till the time it doesn't reach the 320 on the upside consistently. We could safely assume that the upside is capped for this particular stock. However, the downside also, what we are seeing is around 280, 85. That's a very strong support zone for Yes Bank, and currently it's around 308 odd levels or so. So what it reflects is that Yes Bank is in a consolidation zone between 280, 85 on the downside and 315 to 320 on the upside to act as immediate resistance.
Okay, Ashok Leyland, a very steady up move is what we have seen in the stock over the last 1 week. What's your view?
Among the stock picks from the automobile space, Ashok Leyland is one stock which is definitely standing out. If one looks at it technically, be the daily charts, the weekly or the long-term charts, it continues to display extremely strong momentum, and with the uptrend remaining intact. And also, if you look at it, it's up by almost 4% this week. So any pullback towards 153, 154, that can be used as a buying opportunity with a stop loss of 147.7 and a target of 165 on the upside.
Okay, finally, Amar, let's nail it down to your individual ideas. What, according to you, are stocks that do look like good candidates to execute buy or sell trades?
In the banking space, HDFC Bank is a stock that one can definitely look at. What we are witnessing in HDFC Bank is that the positive momentum and the uptrend continues. And looking across different time frames, be the short term or the long term charts, they continue to exude confidence, and also it looks strong. However, the medium-term charts, they are displaying some sort of neutral bias, but still one can look at going long in HDFC Bank in the range of 1945 to 1950 with a stop loss of 1919 and a target of 2009 on the upside.
Okay, Amar, thanks a lot for giving us and running us through the technical ideas and recommendations you have for our viewers. We have more national news lined up right here.